Right, hello, my name is Logan Phillips, and today I'm going to be talking for my group about the Assignment 5 walking tours. So basically, we went on Monday, May 24th. There were no notable events. We were flying and stuff. Tuesday, we would visit Shuansha Park in downtown Shanghai. Wednesday, we would explore the Automobile Innovation Park, where the NIO electric car headquarters is. Thursday, we would uh, also go to the Shanghai Automobile Innovation Park and tour the Alibaba headquarters to study the impact of electric vehicles. Then we would go to the Jing'an Park as well as the temple, and these were famous landmarks. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday there are notable events. And then Monday, May 31st, we would go to the Xpeng headquarters, the lead electric automobile manufacturer that integrates AI. Then we would go to the Xi'an Huancheng Park in downtown Xi'an. And then on Wednesday, we'd visit the ancient city wall. And on Thursday, we'd visit the Build Your Dreams electric car company. On Friday, we would visit the Emperor Mausoleum Site Museum, which is one of these known places that have the terracotta warriors.